Hello, today I'm working on my inventory car I never showed you guys. It is JZX100 Chaser. So I bought this last year. I haven't got a chance to clean it up and list it for sale. It's been sitting in my yard. Now time has come. I'm about to wash it. Putting SP1 on this if it fits. Rear is 10J plus 11s. I might not be able to fit it, but this thing is already flared out. Probably will fit. Let's wash this thing, clean it up, and start working on it. It is manual, turbo, 1JZ, full interior. Let's get to work. Cleaned up well. I'm just about to change the wheel, and let's lower it a little bit. Plan changed. Unfortunately, it does not fit at all, and this doesn't have adjustable arms, so I'm just gonna use this wheel. I didn't like it, but have to. Well, just went to the land. Sorry, Josh. Found the TE. I know these offsets are perfect for stock body. Look at that money. So I gotta test fit these. Thanks, Josh. Oh shoot! All right, I just slammed it. It looks so good with TE. Thanks, Josh. It's so sick. I'm gonna go under the light, show you guys better. Do you guys like that? Shut the towel in, duct taped it, because it's too loud. This isn't best lighting, but you get the idea. Sheesh. This thing is looking good. I'll do a B-roll in the morning. Here it is. Better look in the daylight. This Chaser is so slammed. I'm gonna take some B-roll right now. So that's it for the B-roll. This thing is for sale. It might be sold by the time this video is up, but I'm done with this. Cleaned it up, put wheels on, lowered it. Thing is looking tight. Now me and Koji gonna work on Cresta. Overdue. Haven't touched this for a long time. It has the doo-doo wheels on right now, and I forgot I bought this work Meisters. These 11 negative 14 fat bores. This has 75 mil over fender, so it will fit. We're gonna slam it and put this wheel on and fit it out. I think I'm selling this too, maybe not. Haven't decided yet, but let's see how it looks with this wheels on. Yes, sir. The Meister is on. I forgot to film it, but I had to trim some stuff here on side skirt, fender well to fit this wheel. But this should do. Onto the other side. All right. Other side is on. Let's drop this baby. She's on the ground. Stink bug. Let's do the rear now. Good morning. I forgot to film last night, but I finished lowering the Cresta and put the wheels on. This shit's dumped. This is rear is 11J -14 and front is 9J -14. Both doesn't have a spacer, and these fenders are 75 mil wider. It's super wide, but I can throw some spacer. Front is too, some spacer, and front's little too low. So I gonna play with this today. Maybe gonna go get the new bumper. I had to trim it though. This thing is ready for paint, but this looks good. 19J fits super good on this big body 4-door. This JZX100 Cresta. With the new front bumper I have, they're a little bit bigger, so it'll be closer to ground. It would match my side skirt. Oh, fat lips. Alright, car is, I adjusted. I thought it was good. It looks good, but I gotta go back again. Drop the front a little bit. I adjusted the camber and spacer and height. I lifted up too much. Rear's alright. Looking tight. Almost fitted out. I gotta drop 15 mil lower on the front. Looking great. Adjusted. I'm pretty happy with the result. This thing came out pretty sick. All I did was put the Meister on and lowered it. Next thing, I gonna put corner lights, and then I got aftermarket bumper, so I gotta trim and install that. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Looking mean. 75 mil over fender. Ito Odo. So wide. Sorry guys, I didn't finish the vlog yesterday, and today I was about to put new bumper on this Cresta, but unfortunately it's raining and I don't want to cut fiberglass inside the garage, so I might not do it today. But this thing is coming along. I already have a paint, so I'll probably just try to paint match. It won't be matched, but I have an OEM paint code. So I will paint fender, new bumper, and the trunk is white also. Cresta is coming along, guys. I was just working on this, adjusting the height, back up. I just listed on Instagram. This thing is for sale. I just put this wedge wheel back on. I just lifted a little bit for shipping. I guess unfortunately this TE, Josh's TE, is sold, so I just took it off and I'm done with this car. I'm not doing anything, I'm just selling it. So if it's still for sale, hit me up on Instagram. This could be a cool daily 4-door. I think it's clean. Here's the interior. Factory 5-speed. OEM carbon trim, little bit faded, but overall this car is pretty clean. So my next thing to work on is I need to put this on my 180 Seal 80. I got new setup. I had this, it was cracked, so I got it welded. I had this on the S15, but I had it as a spare because it was cracking, but got it re-welded. Got new used front pipe since mine's cracking. Whole new exhaust setup pretty much. To change manifold I have to take off turbo and all that. I'm gonna bring this Chaser back to my yard slash land, and I'll show you guys what's going on at the land. I'm here at the yard. This is the ER34 I recently bought. My old S15 Spec R, just storing S15 Spec S. My old 34, Josh's 34. Customers 4-door HR34. Leah's RB2634 Stagia. I put some wheels on. Customers HR34. My SO80. I recently just got this combat eye at the SR Heritage, and I just installed it. I wanted to sell the OEM headlight before I destroy it, and mounted some LED bar inside. This thing is ready for Ebisu night drift. Kind of fixed the door other day. Pulled the roof, got the windows shut a little bit better, and I found OEM rain guard. So it's kind of keeping it. I don't have to duct tape the crap out of it every time. Let's see how wet it is inside. I'm gonna take this back to the house right now. And this is the new Cresta bumper. I'm gonna just throw it in 180. Hopefully I can. Let's take this back home. Alright, it fits on my wing. I think it's pretty secure. I hope it doesn't fall off on the way home. We will see. Oh, I recently added another boost gauge. Now I got water temp, oil pressure, oil temp, and boost gauge here. I have a boost controller that tells me it has the boost gauge. But I want to get Diffie ones. It's super easy to add it. So this wire goes straight to the Diffie. This thing, I don't even know what it's called. And the sensor mounts to the vacuum line. And one wire just connects to this. And then one wire connects to gauge. So it was super easy to add. Sick, I got 4 Diffie gauges now. We made it back to the house. And bumper did not fall. Survived. This thing is dirty. This thing is on there. New bumper. It's starting to rain super hard. So I'm gonna work on this tomorrow. I'll just get this ready to be worked on. Thank you guys for watching as always, and let me know if you have any suggestion I should do with the Cresta build. Let me know what you think, or hit me up if you want to buy it as is for a drift car. It's a great drift car. Smash that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. More builds, more cars are always coming. Hustle never stop. Next episode, I'm gonna get this thing ready and hopefully more power soon. Stay tuned guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace.